Now, so we are saying now, firstly, our carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic or xylic acid, right? And this is going to be our carboxylic acid. Let's reduce that one. Now, so what is it that we can take out from this carboxylic acid? Now, the carboxylic acid, basically, it is going to be what? It is going to be like this. Now, it is the functional group of it. It's given by C, which is bonded with a double O. Then this is going to be bonded with an O, and this is going to be bonded with an what? An H. Out again. Now, and what is significant about this? Look, if you can look at this particular thing. Now, this particular OH here. This particular OH here, it is coming from what? This is the one that is coming from our hydroxyl. This is going to be coming from the hydroxyl. And now this one here, your O here, right? This particular O, rather, or your CO here, it's going to be the one that is from the what? That is going to be your carbonyl, right? This is going to be your carbonyl. Out again. This is going to be your carbonyl group, right? And now, just like the ones that we were discussing, the one of your aldehydes. Now, the carboxylic acid, basically, it's always going to be found where? It's always going to be found at the tip of your compound. And why it's going to be found at the tip of your compound? Because now this is going to be where your OH is going to be significantly bonded in there. And now it consists of also the special name, right? The carbonyl and then hydroxyl. Now, basically, the reason why this is from the carboxyl group, it's because now the carboxyl, basically, if we're saying the carboxyl group. Now, the carboxyl group is going to be formed by what? It's formed by the carbonyl. It's formed by the carbonyl and also what? Plus your what? This is formed by the carbonyl and also the hydroxyl. Right? Now, that is the one where now you find what? Your carbonyl, which is your carbonyl plus your hydroxyl will give you what? This particular thing. Okay. Now that is going to be your carboxylic acid. And one thing about now this carboxylic acid is now it consists of your suffix. Now the suffix of it is what? It consists of what? It's oic acid, right? This is going to be oic acid, right? That is going to be the suffix of it. And now it consists of the general formula, basically, which is going to be what? Your CnH2, then this is going to be O2, right? This is H2O2, right? So basically, that is going to be the significance of this particular group of ours. And now, lastly, now, if you can look at one of the example of these, right? Now, if let's say we are looking at, our butanoic acid, right? Let's say we are looking at our butanoic acid. Now, what is it that we know about but? But means how many carbons? 4 carbons, right? Now, this means 4 carbons. Oic acid, this means it's a carbonyl, right? So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this one is going to be the one now that is bonded with this one and O and then the H. Then which means the rest is going to be simply bonded in here, right? This is simply going to be bonded in here. Out again. Now, this is going to be the significance of all these. Now, all of these are going to be bonded in here. Now, that is going to be firstly your basically your fundamental structure for your what? For your carbonyl group, right? So this is going to be the structural formula for your butanoic acid. All right.